So I just finished by the doctor. Everything went well. I have some changes to make to my diet. There are a list of things that I cannot eat anymore. Now granted, I never used to eat a lot, but like majority of what I used to eat is what I can't eat. So, woo sis, this is gonna be interesting when I make my grocery run. Yeah, but all is well with me. I have to go back in 3 months to see what's up with it. You know, if it passed, if it didn't pass, whatever. But everything is well. He says it's nothing to worry about. So thank God for that all the time. So I just waited on the man to come out of Super Farm. He went to get some medication. And then we go into the grocery. And then I think we have like 2 more stuff to make. And then we'll be back. So I'll pick you all up when I finish. Oh my goodness, I have to rant. So yes, the whole Dad and Jackie's elongate curls styling flaxseed gel is a capital S. It flaked so bad in my hair. Like, the end results are really pretty, but my hair was snowing. Like, all I had to do is pass my hand here, and I saw that thing falling down on top of me. And then this morning, when I got up, my hair was like, well, this side of my head was dry. I was like, but yo, I moisturized it before I put that gel in you. Like, what is going on? My hair was like dry. This side was beautiful, you know, that world class curls did its thing. But this side was like dry AF. I was like, what did I just do myself? So you know who gonna get rid of that very quickly? Me. I don't like it. And Ray Girl, you was correct. You warned the sis. You did. You warned me, and I did not take you on. I am so sorry, honey boo. I need to listen to you more often. But the thing is, I know our hair are like opposites. So what my hair do like, your hair is like, and what your hair like, my hair do like. But ooh sis, we come together on this one, we? Anyways, so I'm back home. I have food. So basically just like a Chinese noodles, some veggies, and some pigeon peas. So this is my last little normal meal for the next 3 months size. So I'll show you basically what it is I have to eat and stuff as it pertains to the kidney stone. Well, it's just like stuff that they tell you to stay away from, but I kind of go in and go cold turkey and stay away from everything, just for it to like pass faster and for it to be easier, you know. So yeah, well, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. It's a new day. Today is Saturday. I'm off today, yeah, but I have to work tomorrow, please Lord. Such is life sometimes, you know. So I'm going to make some breakfast. It's after 10. I know hot mess, you know. I don't know if I'm feeling to eat, or if I just feel like something to nibble on. I think I'll do some fruits. I have some cantaloupe and some watermelon there, so I think that's what I'll do. I'll cut up that and make a little fruit bowl. And if I still feel a little, after that I'll like boil some egg or something. So there we go. What is that? It needs to go outside. Go outside. Okay. Put on the lights. so I'm gonna eat this and then I have to rewash my hair. If you all saw my last video, hot feel, so I have to go and do like a real quick rewash, so like just shampoo and a conditioner. I mean doing nothing else because my hair has already been deep conditioned. I already did a treatment for the week. It's not even a full week yet, it's just like 2 days after. So I have to go shampoo, condition my hair and re-moisturize, and maybe I'll do some bantu nuts. You know how long I do some, I think I'll do some bantu nuts. And yeah, today's a real chill day. So I'll just pick you all up whenever I'm doing something.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown.
I told you this is not finished cleaning. Who thankfully. Whew, that's a workout. Look at how I sweating. You swear I do a 30-minute cardio workout. Well, that kind of what you see. Once you put on soaker and you're cleaning, the instinct is be to whine now, boys. So that's a real good cardio workout. So if anybody who don't like to work out, while you're cleaning your house, put on some soca music. Trust me, that's a real good workout. Do it like 3 times a week and you'll be bomb within a month. Right, so all I'm going to bathe and thing and freshen up. I don't wash my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash my hair, bathe and thing, freshen up, and we'll see how I'm going to pretty steady. Come sis, pull up your damn thing. Ooh. I told you breakfast food for lunch. Like breakfast food, it's just like comfort food for me, and I could eat it at any point in time. Put some syrups. Come on, syrup, get out. And that is me right there for lunch, y'all. Ta-da! Don't mind the hair. You know what? I'm just turning all that around, but real quick, just coming to say hi. It's another clip, it's another day. Y'all, yesterday and the day before were some really interesting days. Like I was not feeling well at all. If you know, you know. It was bad. It was bad. By the grace of God and with my husband's help, he's such a darling. Oh my gosh, he took very good care of me for the past 2 days. I am back feeling better at 100%. So it's just to keep myself feeling like that. So let me turn all that around because like this thing, this head. So I'm just making some lunch. So let me show you what I'm making. Alright, so sis is making some bagels. I bought some mini bagels when I went to the grocery the other day. And I'm going to eat it with some scrambled eggs. Your breakfast food is like the best food ever. Fight me. So I have the bagels here just warming up. I like to get a little toasted-ish. Ooh, oh, God, it nearly burned all you. Oh, Lord, check madness. Oh, God, I burned it all you. Oh, jeez. Right, and I'm putting some peanut butter on that. Yo, that's gonna be so bomb. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, so that's lunch there. Yes, I know I put real plenty black pepper on the eggs because I can't put salt. Joy. So yes, I have to, you know, compensate. So I'm gonna eat this, and then when I finish my shift, which is at 5, I'll come back to you to let you all know what has been taking place, and we're gonna comb this head up. Alright, so good morning, good morning. Hello. It's a new day. It's a good, you know, hair. Boop, welcome back. Don't mind the hair. I just had to wet my hair there just now. All this place hot, and I was like, Too wet or not too wet? That is the question. And too wet is what went on because this place too warm and my head was feeling like if I was going mad. So I decided to wet my hair and that just helped so much. Like it just cooled down my body. Okay. And now I see like rain setting up to fall. This one I don't know what I want to do, you know. Anyway, so right now your girl setting up to cook a little food, you know. I have my seasoning here because I need to grind it up. Garlic to put the seasoning. I have 2 corn here chilling, defrosting. I have my couscous. I have some peas here soaking. And then I have my fish. So the meal basically will be couscous, split peas, corn, and baked fish. So that is what is going on here at the moment. Show y'all. So I have been nagging Lamar to get me some. But I was nagging him to get the sweet sweat for me, which is the thing in your put on your belly for when you're working out, whatever. So yes, I've been nagging him for a while to get that. But you know, with the whole corona and thing, it slowed down production and all that good stuff. So we didn't end up ordering it. So yesterday he went to get my resistance bands to me because I'm going to start working out. Yes, your sister's on her fitness journey once again. I have a goal that I want to reach by the time my birthday reach. Like my body needs to be snatched, in my opinion. I know a lot of you will be like, but Gabby, you're small. However, I know I'm small. There's a difference between being small and toned. I like toned. So that's what I'm, working towards. So he went to get my resistance bands for me. So these are the resistance bands. The green one is light, the red one is heavy, the blue one is medium. So I'll be using those in my workout. And he got me a slim waist toner from Body Sculpture. Basically, it's the same thing like a sweet sweat. It's supposed to increase perspiration in that tummy area, which is what I want because that is my most problematic area. The little tummy fat, little stubborn, so it's had to do a little extra. So that's the plan. Let me go and start cooking. Wait, that fish ain't out yet. So let me go put the pots on the fire, get the water heated up and stuff, and start cooking. Sis need to comb her hair because sis here in a hot mess. And yeah, today's a real chill day. I off today, so I'm just relaxing. At the moment it's after 11, so I'm trying to finish cook by like about 1 if so much. It's only because I didn't take all these things like yesterday that it would take that long because I need to defrost and all that. So as I predicted, the rain is down, but here is my seasonings. So I have some time. I just pick from a little kitchen garden thing: garlic, chive, celery, and I think there's thyme, boy. I can't remember what this is, boy. It's not rosemary. I forget what this is, but we have some of this here.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
Look how nice this fish come out all year. And it has some sauce. Oh, time to eat, time to eat. So this is lunch. Sorry for the fan, the place real warm. I know it's a weird combination, but trust me, it tastes real good. Bon appetit. Alright y'all, so I'm just coming to end this vlog off here. So I just finished combing my hair. Y'all will see this video on Saturday, please God. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you just find the video and you're not subscribed, I'ma just wait for you to hit that cute little subscribe button right there, right there. Free 99, and then hit the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.